For decades, there has been a war on fats. We're talking about butter, we're talking about whole milk, we're talking about cheese. But for the first time in 90 years, a San Diego company has come up with an amazing discovery of an essential fatty acid that's in butter that our bodies desperately need.
We're really at the dawn of a new age of nutrition.
Stephanie Van Watson and her team at Seraphina Therapeutics have been studying essential fatty acids and micronutrients for years. What they and other scientists have found is that while lowering our whole fat intake of things such as butter, whole milk, and cheese has helped decrease heart disease, it's also created other problems.
We've been seeing this rise in obesity and type 2 diabetes, an increase in cardiovascular disease, especially among the youth.
And it's also led to liver disease in 1 in 4 people. But for the first time in 90 years, Ben Watson and Seraphina discovered a new active dietary saturated fat found in butter called C15. It helps strengthen our cells. It keeps mitochondria working, which power the cells. And more importantly, as we age, it keeps us balanced.
We're really targeting and looking at helping people who are 30 and older as base, so we can help them through the wonders of aging without necessarily the costs.
Seraphina's C15 will be available on the market in a once daily capsule, also as a food additive as well. And if you'd like to learn more about Seraphina's C15, we put a link on our website at 10news.com. So Kim, not all butter is bad. It tastes good and it's beneficial for you too.
The French really have been onto something. So let's get our croissants and enjoy.
They have.
Thank you.